Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi ogamba niganyare ko bagakora umuroberio ase eskuru y'abamura ya Nyambari asarire ira yo gochokubwatoka chibesa shilingi chimilioni memo na isano bune nchiremo yo gochikokonya kwagacha amagacho ye hall yeskuru yo kagokwana ime yeskuru y'abamura ya Nyambari yare koenekia Gochengera Emiaka 50 na isano nemo yobokoreri. Mheshimiwa ogamba nigo bona atebire ogwagachibwe ole yuke gochikwera nigo bona burachi gosira emiroberio ase eskuru yo nigo Migosi boigo haruro kubole gochia sabarimu abanne baria bakogacha certificate chia barokiwa unatibara kora gwakana school fees banyara kuba bagochibwatoka rimorioka komenta nayo nigo bona ogamba atebire serikali nigo erenekerenga yokobwatasia omuroberio omuyebo masomo OCBE eriogendera senchirerengia muri kitu Vincent Mondanware ngasomo igoyo robotiro ya senchiro wikero
OMOYEGA OYUO NIGO ikeranwa amo n'omuganda bw'abantu gati yabo abaibori abarimu abanene b'ekisukuru ao baria basometa ase esukuru eyo amatuka magega gose alumni oyo kabeire omorai korwa kitutu masaba Walter Nyambati omochumbe bw'orogongo orwo omusike Cliff Gisairo omowakirishi bw'abasubati bw'ekaunti ya Nyamira Jerusha Momanyi gakorokia omogokoe nigo OMOWAZIRI Migosi ogamba atogire esukuru eyo ya Nyambaria eyo ere n'omukio monene ase amasomo.
I'm indeed pleased to join you here today and the celebration of 65 years anniversary of this institution. With a track record of good performance over the years, and in 2022, it was ranked #1 nationwide. Congratulations, Nyambari. In the last 3 years, the school has had a transition rate of 85% to universities, and the other 15 join our tertiary institutions like TVETs, KMTCs, and teacher training colleges. Congratulations once again.
Article 53 y'erikiko ria Kenya nigekoa chinguru abaorokiwa konyora chisemi egento boigo OMOWAZIRI ogamba agoteba eserikali nigo yerwete erioko abana chisemi bune nchera yamo yo kwagacha ense yaito.
This is why we are reforming our education system for greater efficiency, effectiveness, and global competitiveness through the rollout of the competency-based education. To support the effective implementation of the competency-based education, we are undertaking sustained investments in infrastructure, teacher recruitment, and effecting far-reaching reforms. Our overreaching goal is to ensure that every child, regardless of background, has access to quality, relevance, and future-ready education. This is a path to making Kenya a first world country during our lifetime.
OMOWAZIRI Migosi boigo niga ireri baga na gukwanera igoro ye uniform echo chigo chanda abaibori ekero bakoira abana ase chisukuru na boigo chi certificate chiri chigotangwa amo na abarimu abanene kubatekana buna abana abo tibarakana chibesa.
Uniforms have become a problem in this country. We need to come together, we need to discuss it, and we will get a solution. I assure you, we will get a solution to the problem of uniform menace in this country. Certificates have been kept in schools for years. You hold the certificates on the basis that there is money that they are holding. You deny the children the certificate, and you also deny yourselves the money. So it doesn't help, and it is against the law. Please release the certificates. Do not destroy our children's lives because of denying them what is rightfully theirs. And we are urging the principals, please release these certificates to the learners. Bairolere neke gusi. Chi certificate chi abana kamuranje. Chi release ri abana ikiagere korubwate certificate eri era okwachibesa.
Amagacho ya hall yeskuru eyo ayo abere gakwamete nigo OMOWAZIRI alire ira yogocha kubwatoke nibo eyera chigotenera obwagachi obwo.
Talking of infrastructure and talking of the multipurpose hall that you are doing, which will be dealing with a number of activities including plays, drama, and students participating in there, and will be sending you the balance of 105 million to complete that structure. Ninde tiare o support schoolway nkoletande infrastructure is signed not just in this school but all our schools in Kisii, so that we are going to work day and night.
Asoko korera omowaziri nigabori abantu bonsi basire chisemi elio balia bakoriga chisemi gosemba ikerekerenga ky'abasobogima.
Let us join hands to ensure that we do not destroy our education system and instead build it for the benefit of our children.
Vincent Monda, Ensoko TV, eskuru ya Nyambaria, ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba, ekaunti ya Nyamira.